In this quick video, I will show you step by step exactly how to earn big money online every single day from using Quora as a complete beginner. Now you don't need any experience to do this, and I'll show you everything in this video, and the earning potential is incredible right now, and it's an untapped opportunity. As you can see here, $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000. So here's a quick warning for you who are watching this right now. Even though this method is very easy, very simple, and you don't need any skill to do this, but still I want you to pay full attention and don't miss any step, because you need to follow my instruction in order to start making money. And you know what I like about this method is because this is absolutely free, right? You don't have to pay any money to do this, and you can basically do it from anywhere in the world because this is available worldwide. So here's what you'll learn in this quick video. Number one, I'll show you how to sign up for a worldwide account with your phone or using a computer for free and in less than 20 seconds. And also I'll be showing you a real life example and step-by-step demo. You can see exactly how I do it, and you can copy everything what I do, and you can earn your first $300 before you go on the website to try yourself. So I want you to keep watching and don't miss out on any important steps, because I'll show you some extra free bonus tips to help you to earn 2 times up to even 3 times more money, and you can save yourself more time and avoid a lot of costly mistakes by just watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go on and click on the subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos that can help you to make more money online. So in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to use Quora. As you can see here, Quora, Quora.com, and I'll show you exactly how to use Quora to make a lot of money online, and I'll show you everything, the live demo and all the steps and how to sign up, everything on this video. But before we can use Quora to start making money, we have to sign up on the first website. As you can see here, this is MySumo. Okay, the website is mysumo.com. So when you come onto this website, you can actually sign up for a free worldwide account, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in a moment. But first off, I want to show you the earning potential of this website. As I showed you just now, the earning potential is crazy because you are not making $10, you're not making $20, but you are actually making hundreds or even up to thousands of dollars. As you can see here, $1,600. Over here, $4,800. Right here, $800, $1,600, $1,600. And when you scroll down below, you can see all the prices, and all the earning potential are incredibly huge on this website, and you can use Quora to help you to achieve this earning, and I'll show you how to do this in this untapped opportunity. So as you can see here, Matthew Gazer, right, earning $100, Christopher, another $100, Kate, $100, and all the people right here from all over the world, they are making money on this website, and I'll show you exactly how to make this money right now after watching this video. Make sure you keep watching. So you might be wondering the reason why this company MySumo, they are willing to pay you a lot of money by doing the job is because they have been partnered up with some of the biggest brands in the world. As you can see here, these are all the brands of their partners. So take a look at this: Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, Spotify, right, Coca-Cola, Adidas, Facebook. These are all the big companies, and all of these companies, they come over here to MySumo, and they want MySumo to help them to get some feedback from customers, from people like you and I. So what MySumo do is that they open up a lot of challenges and a lot of projects. As you can see here, these are all the challenges that you can participate and you can join, right? For example, this is organized and opened up by other big company and big brand, right? Some of them, they're anonymous. As you can see here, this is anonymous company. For example, this one, they show you what is the company. For example, Universal Music Group. For example, this one is AAA company. This one is Reynolds. This one is Cabinet Co. Right? All of these companies, they come on here to MySumo, and they open up these new challenges and new project to help people like you and I to make money by us simply giving them some feedback and answering some question. And don't worry, this is much easier and much simpler than what you think, and I'll show you how to use the power of Quora to do everything for you, and I'll show you step by step how to answer the question and how to take part in the challenges, how to sign up and how to win prizes, everything in this video. And you don't need any skill and you don't need any experience to do this. And again, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer. So when you come onto this MySumo website, okay, mysumo.com, and you're gonna go on and click on this button on the top right hand corner, okay, login or sign up, click on this button right here, and as you can see, get access to the challenges through MySumo. Now you can use your Facebook or Twitter. When you sign up for a new account, they're gonna send you a verification email to your email address, right? So make sure you check your email inbox and click on the activation link inside the emails. So over here, you gotta put in your information right here, your first name, your birth date, and your country and your ethnicity and so on. It's very simple process, just fill up and then you can start joining the challenges to start making money. So as you can see here, when you log in into your account, you're gonna see all the challenges that you can join and start making money online. So the next question is, what type of challenges should you join? It's much simpler and you can use the power of Quora to help you to make money online. So over the left, you're gonna notice here, right, filter challenges by skill. You're gonna see there are different categories, for example, business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, humanities, and art. So these are all the categories of challenges that you can join and start to make money online. But again, a lot of challenges, they are very difficult for new beginners like you and I. But what I found is the food science is very simple and very easy to answer, and you can earn a lot of money. So what I want you to do is to focus on food science. So all you have to do is just go and click on this button right here, food science, and they're gonna filter up all the challenges about food science that you can join. So this category is so much easier and the earning potential is huge. So as you can see here, these are some of the challenges. For example, propose a high protein food or snack that is perfect for active consumers. So as you can see here, this challenge is put up by the Fonterra company, and they want us to propose a high protein food or snack that's perfect for active consumers. So I believe that you and I, we both don't know what is the answer. So how can we answer this question? So that's where Quora come into place, right? This is very, very powerful. If we want to answer this question, all you gotta do is just go on to Quora, okay? Quora.com, Quora.com, and then you're gonna sign up for a free account. Once you log in your account in Quora, all you gotta do is just go and search on the Quora. So what I want you to do is you go back to these challenges and you want to highlight the keywords. For example, high protein food, okay, high protein food, and then we're just gonna copy this keyword, copy them, and then we're gonna come back to Quora and we're gonna paste the answer right here, okay, high protein food, and then we're gonna search on this topic right here to see whether or not we can find a good answers for this. Now as you can see here, what high protein Indian vegetarian food sources are available. I'm gonna click on this link right here and see whether can I find a good answers for this question, right, for this challenge. As you can see here, this is the question, what high protein Indian vegetarian food sources. So when I scroll down below, I can find hundreds and hundreds of answers that I can just copy and paste from Quora. So as you can see here, this is a very good example that you can take the answers from Quora. As you can see here, number 1 all the way to number 9. They even list out all the food that's high in protein. As you can see here, all of these I can just copy this answer and I can submit to these new challenges right here and I can make money. So what I want you to do is to go back to google.com. Okay, go to google.com and I want you to search in the keyword which is Google document, and I want you to press on search, and right here you should be able to find Google Docs free online document for personal use. And I want you to click on the first link here, and then right here you can actually sign up for a free Google account and start using Google document by just clicking this blue button right here. So right over here you can start creating your Google document, right? It's using a blank document. So all you gotta do is just go and click on this blank right here, blank and plus, click on this right here, and then you're gonna come onto this page. As you can see here, this is a brand new blank Google Docs. So right now we're gonna paste our answers right here on this Google document, and we have to submit on the MySumo website. So what I want you to do is to come back to Quora, and then you want to highlight the first answers, right, number 1 all the way to number 9. And then you're going to copy this answer right here, copy, and then you're going to come back here, and then you're going to come back to the Google document and you want to paste your answers right here. Make sure you put in some space between the answers. I'm going to do it right now for you. So this is exactly all the steps that you have to follow. Make sure you don't miss out on any steps, okay? So all the way from number 1 to number 9. So right now you have to back to the challenges and you have to copy the question, okay? Copy the entire question and just click on copy, and then you're going to come back to your Google document again, and on top you're going to see here, this is actually the title, right? The name of your file, and you have to actually name the file as the question of the MySumo. Okay, as you can see here, propose a high protein food. I'm gonna paste everything right here as the name of this file, okay, and name of this document. So once you have named your file and named your document, so right here on top, you're gonna type this sentence right here, okay? Pay close attention, this is very important. Please refer to my answers below for this challenge. So make sure you type this extra one sentence right here on top and you're gonna make it bold, right? This is everything you need to submit this into this challenge. So as you can see here, this is a very simple process. There are a lot of people that are doing this right now and they're using the power of Quora to answer everything for you.